Solo Notebook on KDP Challenge. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator Beat and welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books and Etsy with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So today I'm actually doing something different. I am actually recommending a video from one of my good friends, Garry Baker, who has the YouTube channel Pubisher Report. The link will be down in the description for the video that I am sending you to. This video is about selling a KDP notebook, or should I say a notebook on KDP. It is a composition notebook and it was created using both Tangent templates and Canva. So the interior was created using Tangent and the cover was created using Canva. But the great thing about this video and this challenge that he is talking about is how he's going to go about selling this notebook on KDP. He wants to use both organic and paid traffic. But with this challenge, he has got one requirement, and that requirement is that there are 50 comments left and 200 likes. So if you want to see how somebody goes about in this niche, actually selling their books by using both organic methods and paid methods, I urge you to click the link down in the description, go and check the video, give him a like and a comment also, and then he will create a video in the challenge. Also, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, do so as well, because that helps him and it also helps us, because we are also learning from somebody else who is in the KDP niche. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed before, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And while you check out how to make a notebook in Canva if you don't want to be using Tangent templates in the challenge that Gary's doing.